Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got something that I've been waiting for a while. I know in the last few videos I showed you how to install the Killmark sound deadening. Uh, this is actually a sound deadening as well, but it's actually a pretty much like a soft spongy looking thing that I'm planning to apply on top of this, because this, I mean, I know it should be enough as it is, but parts of it have a sticky part that is sticking out, and I don't like that. So as an extra protection, I decided I'm gonna put some more of this as well. And this is actually excellent for, because it's so light, right? It's so light that it's actually excellent for the roof, for the doors and all that. For now I'm gonna do just the carpet, and then we'll go from there, see how it is. So like I said, it is same company. I bought it from same company that sold the kill mat over there. So yeah, it's the same I guess same seller. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that right now. Install is pretty much simple, same as probably Killmark. You just peel off this paper over here and it exposes the sticky part that of course you stick on top of the Killmark. So yeah, let me do that, and then of course I'm gonna show you how process is going and how far I got. Alright guys, as you can see, this side, which is passenger, I already laid it down, installed it. It looks good so far. And I started laying over here, and I figured that I'm gonna show you just one of them, how to do it. And I believe there is not much to show, because all you have to do is, like I said, peel this part off. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Alright, throw that out, and it's extremely sticky. So all you have to do after you take the paper off is place it where you want. For example, I want mine right here, and then I will just start laying it down. Remember, it's extremely sticky, so once you push it down, you're gonna have a hard time taking it off, and it will actually start ripping. So be careful with that. Remember where you want to place your stuff. Be sure, cut it right, and then once you're ready, stick it on there. Alright, right there. Get all the corners, everything. There you go. It's stuck on. Like I said, it's a soft, spongy looking thing. Over this is gonna go my my carpet. I will see if I can install this as well on the ceilings, as well on the doors. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do this part. I will probably uh, show you guys the final product here in a second. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, a final product. Like I said, there it is right there. It doesn't look pretty, but it serves the purpose. The center console part, I didn't do it because there's no point sliding stuff, because I want to later access the holes or bolts, because it's gonna be too much job to do that right now. I also didn't want to cover this line as well, because like I said, later if you want to work on it, so that way it's easier. Remember, once again, don't forget your holes. You're gonna have a lot of problems if you if you cover them, so you're gonna have a lot of fun finding them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. A final I would say final thing before I install the carpet, which pretty soon I'm gonna make a video about that too. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that as well. And once that's done, then I will have some more videos coming regarding probably a painting, some more painting, and some more probably engine work as well as I'll be having some a 4G63 Eclipse, which is right there, and there's a car behind it. Can anybody guess what it is? It's another Japanese car, so comment down below what it is. Let me know. This is my kill mat that I used last time. So yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you how to do this. Let's go actually over the manual that we got over here, so you guys can do this right here. In order to install soundproofing material, you would need so this is all the things that you need. Step 1, decide what you're gonna do, and then this is step 2, 3, 4, 5. See, these people are actually putting templates, cutting the cardboard, and then measuring them just so they know what they're doing and how much they need. So yeah, in this case I haven't been doing that. I just laid them down because this is just a simple thing. I do have a little piece over there to finish, and then I'm thinking about installing these as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Of course, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like and share with your friends, and of course see you guys next time. Laters.